Hi everyone, I am making gooey chocolatey brownies. I'm keeping it simple. I'm making a basic brownie recipes, no added flavors, just the basic stuff. Starting with 300 grams of good quality dark chocolate. To this I'm going to add the same amount, 300 grams of unsalted cubed butter. It doesn't need to be softened. Now I have got some boiling water in here and I'm going to melt this over the bain-marie. So I'll be back. We leave the chocolate to cool down for 5 minutes, and in that time we're going to get our eggs and sugar ready. So I've got 5 large eggs, and to this I'm going to add 450 grams of golden caster sugar. You can go for normal caster sugar if you don't have golden one. We're going to whisk the eggs and sugar till we get a nice fluffy light mix, which can take up to 5 minutes. Oh, look at that. The mixture is really fluffy. It's got lots of air in. And we're going to slowly add the chocolate. Very slowly, we're going to mix it up. Not too much, just so the mixture is together. Okay, so now a couple of things to add. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of good quality vanilla extract. 200 grams of plain flour goes in as well. One final whisk. As I said before, this is just the basic plain brownie. You can add all sorts of flavors and things to it. There's a really nice raspberry and chocolate brownie on the channel as well, which you can check out. Right, that's done. Right now I'm just using a tray baked tin. Just pour all of it. Oh, just looking at the mixture, this is going to be really good stuff. Everything in, just gently guide it to the corners. That's about it. Now this goes in the oven at 180°C for roughly 20 to 25 minutes. I'm not going to give you a really dry brownie, so I'm going to show you what to check out. It's been 25 minutes. You can see the brownies cracked up. If I use a toothpick and insert it, it's going to come out all gooey, but that's a good thing. And it's still got a slight wobble in it. So we'll put it back in for 5 minutes and then take it out. It's going to be gooey inside, but that's how I like it. And I promise it's going to be good. Yay! And I've got a taster with me. So there you go. I've left it to cool down slightly. You can see that it's cutting and there's lots of stickiness happening here. Look at that!
That slice has my name on it.
Okay, so this slice has got Sia's name on it. Can you see what I mean by gooey?
We're gonna add ice cream.
Shall we dig in?
Yeah.
Okay. That is so good. Obviously the ice cream is optional. I don't have it with ice cream every single time, but it's nice to have it with ice cream or on its own. And you can, keep it in an airtight box, and whenever you want it, you can warm it in the microwave for 10 seconds because it just warms the whole thing up. What shall we say?
Leave me alone.
Please do subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you like the recipe. Come on, you've got to like this recipe. See you next week with a brand new recipe. Bye.